we have to understand what is cervical cancer, what is HPV first, to understand why the vaccine is necessary. Cervical cancer is the second most common cancer in female, and the incidence is higher in South Asian countries, particularly India. India is considered the cancer capital of the world. Within India, the incidence is higher in Northeast India, and also in South India, and in the urban areas. But it is traditionally low in parts like Kashmir for the obvious reason, because of the lower sexual promiscuity rate. So this virus, HPV virus, is a sexually transmitted disease, just like any other disease, and it transmits through direct skin-to-skin contact and by some objects. If you have the live virus in some object, it can transfer the infection to another person. So the common reasons, common demography of this infection is people who are in lower economic status, socioeconomic status, who are having a high rate of sexual promiscuity, early sexual intercourse, multiple sexual partners, oral sex, anal sex, homosexuality. These conditions usually increase the rate of HPV-induced cancers. So HPV virus, there are more than 200 strains of this virus, and certain strains causes cancers. And most importantly, 16 and 18, which is a reason for more than 90% of the cancers. So our vaccine is particularly addressed to these common strains. And this virus, it causes cervical cancer, it can cause vaginal cancer, it can cause vulvar cancer, it can cause anal cancer, it can cause oral cancer, and we can relate directly with the sexual practice, why this virus is, how this virus is transmitted. So the point is, most of the people harbor this virus in their reproductive tract, but few of them, they tend to develop this cancer over a period of time. So there are pre-cancerous condition which progress into cancer over a period of time. So the thing is, the vaccine should be given before their first sexual intercourse. That is the point. That is the crux here. So that will prevent developing HPV infection, which in turn will prevent developing cancer. So this HPV virus, this is usually transmitted across the skin. It can also even cause a skin wart. You know, you have seen the genitals and reproductive area where you can see small growth, which is actually wart. This is also caused by HPV virus. So this HPV vaccine, it provides protection against all these strains, all these warts and all the cancers because of this virus.